Hey everyone, today's nail art is this black and white mandala design. I've previously done a rainbow mandala design, so I wanted to do something a bit different this time, and believe me, these are a lot easier to paint than they look. So to start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails and painted them with my favorite one-coat black polish, Studio M's Darkest Black. Once the polish had dried, I began working on the mandalas. If you're not very confident in your freehand skills, you can top coat your nails first so you'll be able to scratch the paint off easily if you mess up. Anyway, I used my detail brush and white acrylic paint to start painting two partial mandalas on my index nail. I started the top one by drawing a small circle at my cuticle and worked outward, adding more circles, lines, petals, and leaf shapes, occasionally adding small dots and lines in the middle of the shapes. You can really paint any pattern of shapes you'd like, it's just important to try to keep the images somewhat symmetrical. I followed the same steps on the rest of my nails, but I shifted the starting point for each mandala, giving each a different final placement on the nails. Since the white paint wasn't very opaque, when I was finished, I went back over the images and also cleaned up some of the lines in the process. To seal the design, you can use either a matte or glossy top coat. I preferred the matte look of this design, but I still applied a glossy top coat first because matte top coats can occasionally smear designs when they don't have a smooth surface underneath. I hope you all liked these nails and let me know whether you prefer the black and white or rainbow version of this design.